how to convert your Pinterest personal account into a business account. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. The advantage of having the business account is that you will have some additional options, like you can see the analytics and you can manage the things in a little advanced way than your personal account. If you want to do that, you need to click your avatar icon on the bottom right to access the settings. From here you need to go to the top right and click the settings, and in the settings on the top you will get an option, get a free business account. Unlike the pro tools like analytics and ads, you just need to press this upgrade now, and it will ask you a few questions like your business name. Let me give it my channel name. Press next. If you have a website, link that, and if you do not have this, then skip this step. From here you need to tell the Pinterest about your business. We will select the professional and click next. And the next question is, would you ever be interested in running ads in Pinterest? You can select anything, but I will select not sure and click done. And let me see that whether my account is now converted into a professional account or not. Click this edit settings and just go down and you will see convert to personal account, which means that right now your account is now a business account and now you will have an access to the analytics. So that's how you can convert a personal Pinterest account into a business account. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.